Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Mohammad Ashir Yebara. Today I am going to share the key message from the Dialectic Words Make an Idea by Nabil Kadir. We often think that great ideas come only to geniuses or highly creative people, but Nabil Kadir explains that an idea is not just a random so it is a solution to a real problem. The best ideas are born when we observe the world around us, notice what is not working, and ask how can this be better. He emphasizes that successful ideas don't appear overnight; they go through curiosity, learning, and continuous improvement. Every entrepreneur starts with a simple idea, but what makes it valuable is taking action. An idea that stays in your mind change nothing, but an idea that you work on can change lives. Another important lesson is that failure is part of the journey. Many successful people face rejection and made mistakes before achieving success. Instead of leaving failure, they should learn from it and keep moving forward. Nabil also encourages young people to believe in their own potential. We don't need to wait for the perfect time or perfect resources. We can start with what we have, keep learning and improve along the way. Innovation begins with courage and persistence. Inclusion. This statistic reminds us that great ideas come from solving real problems, staying curious, and having the courage to act. Every big achievement starts with one simple idea and the determination to make it real. Thank you for listening. My dad's tech. Assalamualaikum. Allah Hafiz.